In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $300 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v2. Creality is well known for producing low-priced but well-built 3D printers. Indeed, the original Ender 3 is one of the best-selling printers on the market. The updated and improved Creality Ender 3v2 follows that tradition and tops our guide of the best 3D printers under $300. What makes the Creality Ender 3v2 a remarkable budget offering is the quality of the prints. Whatever the size or shape of the creation, or their supported filament types, PLA, TPU, PETG, the Creality Ender 3v2 delivers. A self-developed 32-bit mainboard and TMC2208 stepper motor drivers do much of the heavy lifting for more accurate, smoother movements. Plus noise levels down to 50 dB for virtually silent printing, barring the fan's hum and drivetrain hops. With a 220mm x 220mm x 250mm build volume, 100 to 400 micron layer height, and 100 micron printing resolution, the Creality Ender 3v2 is also one of the more versatile printers under $300. It can churn out good detail in a range of sizes. We also like the inclusion of a 100 degrees heated tempered carborundum glass print bed, sturdy all-metal body and concealed meanwhile power supply. There's also a tool drawer and 4.3-inch detachable screen, although not a touch screen. Plus the XY axis belt tension knob is great for keeping the belts taut and in tip-top condition. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Mega S. The ANYCUBIC Mega S successfully balances a sub-$300 price tag with impressive print quality and a generous feature set. Undoubtedly an entry-level printer, the Mega S comes with its limitations. Still, there's plenty here for beginners and even seasoned printers to sink their teeth into. There's a solid full-metal frame, 3-step easy assembly, and a high-quality Titan extruder better suited to flexible filament. There's an additional suspended filament spool holder, and 50 to 400 micron print resolution. This delivers easy up and start printing, after bed leveling. The results are invariably reasonable, surprising even for a $300 printer. The open design makes the ANYCUBIC Mega S particularly suited to modification and tinkering. The ANYCUBIC Mega S also boasts quality-of-life features that have trickled down from much pricier printers. These include a filament sensor that includes runout detection, an auto-resume function after power loss, and ANYCUBIC's impressive ultra-base heated print bed, strong adhesion and easy removal of finished prints. There's also a full-color integrated touch screen. Number 3. FlashForge Finder. The FlashForge Finder is a strong option for beginners or those wanting a fully assembled plug-and-print 3D printer. With a semi-enclosed design, the Finder is one of the more aesthetically cohesive printers in today's guide. Printing is smooth, reliable, and very quiet. The result is systematically very good for the price. The removable build plate is a nice touch that simplifies peeling off finished prints. Furthermore, the 100 to 500 micron resolution offers respectable detail. The FlashForge Finder bundles in broad connectivity through either USB 2.0, USB thumb drive or Wi-Fi. The 3.5-inch touch screen provides simple but responsive on-printer controls. Number 4. Geeetech A10M. The main attraction is, of course, the dual extrusion, which allows printing in multiple colors and materials. The results are exceptional for the price, and even complex, graded color or pattern prints come out smooth and well detailed. Another area where the giant arm Geeetech A10M shines is the inclusion of features that feel entirely out of place given its low price tag. Power outage auto-resume, filament detection, quiet V-frame rails, heated silicon carbide build plate, and auto-leveling, all excellent and desirable quality of life features that typically cost a lot more. Alongside, it features an A10M extruder with 360-degree ventilation for better heat dissipation, 220mm x 220mm x 260mm build volume, 100 micron resolution, Wi-Fi, USB, and SD card connectivity, and LCD. Number 5. QIDI X-one2. Another top plug-and-play 3D printer under $300 worth considering is the QIDI X-one2. This compact yet capable 3D printer may not be the best in class, but this final choice highlights a number of great features. Features include a resolution of 50 to 400 microns, and 10 Malawian kwacha as extruder, a user-friendly 3.5-inch touch screen, a CNC aluminum alloy build, a quick heated build plate, support for an array of popular filaments, and an SD card reader. The setup is reasonably straightforward: feed in filament, adjust a few screws to level the bed, and you're ready to go. Print quality falls within a respectable range for the price. You can expect smooth, detailed creations to come out reliably. Much like the FlashForge Finder, the X-one2 sacrifices build volume for plug-and-print ease of use, with an underwhelming 145mm x 145mm x 145mm build area. For a compact but capable 3D printer under $300, however, the X-one2 is a tremendous choice.